Oh.
Shit, that was the gnarliest thing I've ever seen. What the fuck?
Wow. Stuff, look at thumbnail. All right, fam, here in Alabama. I already picked up my first buy. Check it out.
This is the spot.
That's the spot? Yep. Picked myself up a new to me 2014 TTR 110. We're just having fun on it. I'll tell you about it here in a second. Getting steezy. Yeah. Can you get the whole pad? Whole pad. Whole pad. Yeah, you got the whole pad. Well, here it is, guys. My 2014 Yamaha TTR 110. Really good shape despite some, let's say, severely worn tires. I was able to find a front and a rear tire here at the Motorsports Park for $20. So we're only in this thing for $770. And considering all the bikes prices here, I'm going to be jacking this thing up a little bit to $1,700. And we'll see what I get. Price could go down, could go up. We'll find out. Either way, I'm going to stick this out there and see if we could sell it. I really can't believe it, guys. I literally had that thing for 2 days. And I bought it for $750. I paid $20 for a set of tires. I know I already said all this, but I put up a high price because I was thinking to myself that people are going to talk me down. They're going to say $1,200, you know, $1,000 or something like that. This guy just said, I'll give you 16. Okay, so off this one goes. But now that gives us a little bit more budget for the next one. So let's keep looking, see what I can get now. Hey Ryan, can you hit the wipers?
Yeah, they're on.
Well, thanks to Mark and Sandro, guys who had the RV before us, there are no wipers and it's raining. Day in the life of dirt bikers. We're just gonna send it, see what happens. So, in an attempt to hurry up and get Ryan's bike, which I did get my bike last night at 10:30, which I'll be more than glad to show you guys when we're not driving.
It was a journey.
But it was quite a journey. We had to drive, we had to get this 37-foot Class A through some...
With a 20-foot trailer.
Yeah, with a 20-foot trailer. We had to thread the needle in some areas, but guys, we are literally headed into the unknown. So we've been getting constant tornado warnings. We're in Kansas. We're getting towards the west end somewhere. We have no idea. I know we're past Oakley, Kansas, but this is getting gnarly, and I have a feeling
We got about a 60-mile-an-hour crosswind.
Yeah, 60-mile-an-hour crosswind. I think that's easily.
Oh yeah, that's being conservative.
But we're gonna send it. Got to get this bike for Ryan.
Things we do for motorcycles.
Dirt bikes. Oh man. On the 0 to 10 scared scale, no wipers, and a giant wind sail of an RV, I'm like at a 6 right now, which is saying a lot. Not a lot scares me.
I'd say I'm at a 2.
You're at a 2? Well, you're even keeled, bro.
We're cool. Now, when the wheels leave the ground, I'd say we'll be at a 5.
Yeah, 5.5 for you. I'll be full 10 at that point. This is wild. This is like literally we could pull over right now and camp for the night, let this thing blow through. But here's the thing. So the bike Ryan wants to get, it's dude has to work at like 5 tomorrow or something.
5 a.m. to 5 p.m.
Oh, he works 5 to 5. Yeah, he works 10 hours. So we would be driving through when he's working, and that's not going to work. It only would work if we get there tonight, so we can pick up this pile of trash for Ryan.
Hey, 2020 YZ, be nice to her.
Oh man, sick! This is rad. All right, I was wrong. Oh, look how bad the roads got.
Jesus.
So I thought we're still in like Kansas, Toto, but apparently we just hit Colorado because I just saw signs that said "Welcome to colorful Colorado." So that's where the storm is.
You ain't in Kansas anymore, Dorothy.
No. State law. Oh,
says you
this
got through the storm for the bike.
colorful Colorado. Yep, Colorado Welcome Center. Yep. We're fully in Colorado.
Good
So,
news is farther
high
west,
winds,
this
blowing
is
debris.
snow.
So at least it doesn't say tornado this time. These signs have been saying tornado warning, but now it just says high winds. But again, we're in a huge, giant windsock with no windshield wipers. Full send. Wish I was in that. Feel better.
Might be better.
Then my stress level would be like a 2.
Oh, these cars blowing. Oh, fuck. Is this a tornado?
Yeah, we're in a tornado right now.
Holy fuck, guys. We're in a tornado. Cars literally blowing off the side of the road. Holy Texas. Oh my fucking god. Holy shit, guys. Woo!
Oh.
Alright, I got you a 5, man. Alright, get out of my way now. I'm fucking
Oh my god. Oh my. Did we get struck by lightning? Did you hear that?
Dude, that was insane.
Oh.
I have no idea.
I think we got struck, dude. It sounded like
I
it hit
no
our roof.
fucking idea. I have no idea.
Oh my god, dude. My
never
hands
seen
are
shit.
shaking right now. What the? Did we like
Dude,
literally?
that was literally a tornado.
It's literally. It happened.
Dude, did you see his car drifting
Yeah, I know. It's
sideways?
on. I got on video, dude. That thing like
Oh my
slid.
god.
That's why he stopped. He was like, "Oh hell no!" Oh. Wow.
Dirt bikes.
Oh.
Shit, that was the gnarliest thing I've ever seen. What the fuck?
Wow.
Dude,
Never.
the whole side of this thing is just soaking wet.
Oh,
Water
dude,
was
yeah,
coming
look-
in through
look
the
at-
bottom of the window seal.
No, it's coming through the freaking dash and everything.
Dude, it fucking... Oh my god, dude. Dude's car was being blown sideways. I've never fucking seen that. Woo, doggy.
Oh, that was intense.
I was getting ready to emergency throw down the levelers.
I was about to go under that bridge. I was seriously about to go under that bridge.
I was about to throw down some levelers, dog.
Wow.
Woo!
All right, back to getting a dirt bike. Oh, we had to pull over, guys. So the damage is the slide out awning is completely bent and ripped off. I don't know if you guys can see the hangers, but it like bent, ripped it off. The motorhome's full of water right now because the water blew past every sill. And the side of the trailer, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it is riddled with dents. Like crazy riddled with dents. And then watch this, we'll go to the other side. Like you guys can see that right there. Oh, but look at the other side. Not a single dent. Holy mackerel. Stay right in the eye of the storm. Ooh, it's cold. Alright, I think we're good. I think we're good to go. Well, guys, that was a heck of a drive. We're talking, I don't know, like 2,400 miles or something like that. We went through bad, hot heat, like overheating our motorhome hot. We went through like, I don't know, 20 different rainstorms, a freaking tornado, snowstorms up in the mountains in the Rockies. But all that, guys, for 2 dirt bikes and one idea. Rocky Mountain ATV MC, guys, has been a long time sponsor of my channel. I've never been here, and I wanted to make sure that this happened, and I'm stoked it is. Enjoy the rest of the video, guys. It's gonna be really good. Let's go get some parts. That bike needs parts real bad. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, over 2,000 miles driven from Alabama now to the Nevada border on Utah. Some of you know where I'm at right now. Some of you have no clue. Ladies and gentlemen, I bring to you our final pick of the trip. We sold a TTR for $1,600. Picked this thing up for $2,000 in Missouri. Now she's with us at this once in a lifetime location. Check it out. Boys and girls, we are at Bonneville Salt Flats in Utah. So this, guys, is why we went through all that pain and suffering of all the hard weather. Now you guys know what we had planned. Yeah, we could have gone the southern route. We could have gone through Texas, Arizona, cut up through southern Nevada and come all the way back up. But that would not be fun to take the reveal of one rough bike. So guys, as I previously stated, we bought that TTR 110 for 750 bucks there at the swap meet. We bought a $20 set of almost brand new tires. I'll give him that. The guy bought it for 1,600 bucks. Went out the half an hour after buying it, snapped his ankle. Prayers and good wishes go out to him. And now we bought this for $2,000 in Missouri. I'll show you Ryan's bike in a second. It's a lot better than this one by a long shot, but still, you know I'm a two-stroke guy. You know that. So, what are we doing out here? Well, it's not Speed Week, but it is for us. Let's play and have some fun. So, she runs pretty mint, guys. Not gonna lie. Definitely need to do something about the chain, the bars, but Rocky Mountain hooked us up. I'll show you what we got for that in a second. This is Ryan's bike. He's all bent over on hands and knees for this thing right now. So this is his 2020 YZ 450F, guys. We picked this thing up in Denver, like east of Denver last night. No, not last night, night before last. Oh, the days and nights are getting to be one with me. He changed the oil on it because it has 16 or 18 hours? 18 freaking hours. And do we want to tell him how much you got it for, or is that just bragging?
Don't add insult to
injury. Okay. We'll just say he got it for a good deal. Okay, we'll just leave it at that. But this bike is super freaking just perfect. I mean, it's 18 hours. He ran the app on the ECU. It confirms 18 hours, and he stole it. He got such a good price on it. Paperwork and everything. But he's going to do a little oil swap. That's all compliments of RockyMountainATVMC.com. Thanks a lot, guys, for supplying him some oil, a filter, a little fast funnel, and also a front fender, because of all the things that this bike needs.
Turns out a 450 was a little much for this guy.
Yeah, I think...
So in 18 hours, I mean, I'd say he crashed it more than he had it up on two wheels.
I would have to agree with you. I'd have to agree. But lucky, all these can just, you know, come right off and give a brand new... background anyways. But yeah, so I'm super jelly, but you guys know how I am with two strokes. And so I think what I was gonna do, I was gonna change out the bars and the chain and the guide and everything out here, but I kind of want to just go play. What do you think? I can change all that stuff later. Let me show you what I got from Rocky. All right, guys, so here's what I picked up from Rocky Mountain. No, I did not get the OEM pipe from Rocky Mountain. Ryan and I actually found that about to head into the mountains there in the Rockies. West Denver. Yeah, it was West Denver. And but this thing has no dents at all. It has some scuffs from a guard. He said that's from like a carbon fiber guard. There's absolutely no dents in it. It's 4 and 07, and these pipes fit 05 to 07. So brand new OEM pipe, or used new OEM pipe. Got new bars, chain, engine oil seal kit, because I am going to do a Vertex top end in that thing, so I am going to need to do the oil seal kit on it because it is dripping from everywhere. Got a new air filter, and then you guys saw the chain guide, so we got a new rub block in there and a brand new set of tires. I think that's going to bring this thing right around.
the 05 kicks, and that's not snow. You guys saw. That's salt, which we all got a little bit of salt on us, didn't we, right? Got a little bit of salt on us, guys. I don't even know what else to say, but I will leave you guys with this. Out of every single one of you guys, I will talk to you very, very soon. That's a promise. Peace out from Bonneville Salt Flats, where you guys saw a dirt bike playing the salt. Why? Doesn't matter. It was so rad. We had a lot of fun. We'll see you guys on the next one. We're gonna be doing some cleanup work and obviously some repair work on that KX250. Get that thing moving down the road. And then I got some photos I'll share with you right now. Just a little teaser of the next video to come on that RMZ YZ swap, or YZ swap into an RMZ. Watch. And then go and use my link down in the description, my Rocky Mountain page. Go order yourself some stuff. Get your bike all dialed in and meet us out at the Salt Flats, because that's where we go, right? All right, guys. Peace out. Let me see it.